Rachel from Slipstick, introducing our latest premium office chair wheels. This set of 3-inch or 75mm dual polyurethane wheels is designed to protect floors and roll super easily. Plus, they work on low pile carpet. This wheel is really big, and the set of 5 is designed to carry up to 500 pounds or 227 kilograms. Size is important for wheels. The larger the diameter, the easier to roll. This wheel has internal roller bearings and a polyurethane tyre to roll smoothly and incredibly quietly. Does your chair make a heap of noise? Does yours get stuck on carpet? Do you need a mat to protect your wood floor? These 3-inch wheels are a universal premium replacement for standard hard plastic office chair wheels. Simply remove the old wheels and install the new ones, no tools required. Not only do they roll easily and protect hard surfaces, wood, laminate and tile, they also work on low pile carpet. Slipstick's premium dual office chair wheels are backed by our 5-year warranty. Find more Gorilla Surface protection solutions right here on this website.